Hi guys, it's Ariel from Fix My Books, and today I'm going to go over the top 5 common mistakes I see business owners make all the time and how to fix them before they cost you time, money, or even a CRA audit. So, QuickBooks is a powerful tool, but only if you're using it right. And most small business owners, they're not using it right. So I understand, they're not bookkeepers, so they don't know the ins and outs, but it really does cause a lot of issues with your books. So let's get started. First things first, the number one most common mistake is trusting the bank feeds too much. So we're in a credit card right here, and this is Amazon Marketplace, and it is suggesting that these could be like purchases as part of your cost of goods sold. And I see a lot of people that they could just go, oh, okay, QuickBooks suggested that, I'll just go with that. That's wrong. So what if you're a service-based company? You don't even have any cost of goods sold, and this is actually for office expenses, right? So you mark that as office expenses, you do like HST on, and then you post it and you call it a day. It's saying it needs a class. That's fine without the class. That's it. So what could happen is, because you're adding everything as office expenses, it will automatically say, okay, because you added everything as Amazon as office expenses, whatever Amazon purchases, it's an office expense. But what if you buy a computer from Amazon? So that's not an office expense. That's going to be computer equipment. So you have to make sure that you're actually categorizing the transactions yourself, and you're not just relying on QuickBooks and its suggestions, okay? So just pressing post, that's not bookkeeping. Okay, next, the thing that I see as an issue, right, the second most common thing would be categorizing credit card payments as expenses. I see this all the time. What happens is there's an account called credit card payment, like an expense account, and that's how they'll categorize this transaction. That's wrong. The way that you need to categorize a credit card payment is either through a transfer, and then you select, the Amex credit card, or you click credit card payment and you select your credit card here, which happens to be the Amex, and then that would be it. Do not put credit card payments as expenses. They are not expenses. Okay, next, the thing that I see the most is mixing business and personal expenses. So if you are commingling funds, like you're literally using your personal credit card to pay for business expenses, stop that. Like right now, just stop that. Okay? If you made an oopsie, like you accidentally used your business credit card for a personal expense, this is how you fix it. So you have to put it under an account called U2/from shareholder if you have a corporation, or under owner's draws if you're a sole proprietorship. This one is set up as a corporation. That's why there is this account, and it is out of scope. You cannot claim any HST on a personal expense. Then you just click post, and that would be that. And your accountant or bookkeeper, they should know what this is. If they don't, run. Okay, next, this is something that I see all the time, even with professional bookkeepers. Like, I don't understand, but this is one thing I check. If I go to your reconciliation page and your accounts aren't reconciled and you tell me you have a bookkeeper, I'm giving you the side eye, because like, this is so sus. So this needs to be reconciled like monthly. Okay, there's going to be monthly, those like monthly, hey, your statement is out, blah, blah, blah. You need to be reconciling those bank statements. And it's not just your bank. So it's banks, credit cards, loans, lines of credit. All of those need to be reconciled monthly. Especially like I have clients that they're in like real estate, and we have literally like 20 loans for 20 different properties, and they have like escrow accounts and stuff like that. All of those are reconciled monthly, like to the T, right? So just make sure that you do this monthly. I know a lot of people don't, like even other professional bookkeepers, they don't reconcile. It's kind of crazy, but this is a powerful tool because when you reconcile, that's how you know that it's in order. So let me just, there's an issue with the system. Let's go, maybe let's reconcile the checking account. Okay. There's no 1 million. I wish. So this is how you know if you have any duplicate transactions, any missing transactions, because if it's not exactly perfect, your books will not reconcile. Even if you're 1 cent off, your books will not reconcile. So that's how you know that everything that needs to be there is there. And if there are duplicate transactions, you need to remove them. You need to reconcile against your actual bank statements. So you'll catch errors, missing transactions, duplicates with reconciliation. So this is really like a powerful tool. And this is like what we run up to monthly, right? We add the transactions, and then closing the books means you need to reconcile before the books are officially closed for the month. Okay. So one thing I see as well all the time that other bookkeepers don't do, so I'm guessing a lot of business owners don't do it as well, because if other bookkeepers don't do it, then most business owners don't. It's actually marking the sales taxes filed in QuickBooks. So what happens is like you file your sales tax with the CRA, but you don't actually tell QuickBooks that you filed it, if that makes sense. Now your sales tax reports are wrong. So you need to click, sorry, that's my baby. So you need to click mark as filed over here. And the reason why you need to do this is because it will mark your sales tax return as filed in QuickBooks and close the books for that HST period. So anything that changes will come up in the GST HST exception report. So if your sales tax doesn't balance with your balance sheet, you'll know the issue right away. So just click continue and then click pay later. So that's how you would mark it as filed in QuickBooks. And again, those are the top 5 common issues I see business owners make all the time, and even some professional bookkeepers. And I know that no one teaches you this stuff when you start a business, but that's why we're here. So if this helped you guys, please hit like, subscribe, and comment below the mistake that you didn't know you were making. And if you need help fixing your messy books, we do cleanups too. You can contact us at bookkeeping@fixmybooks.ca. And once again, this is Ariel with Fix My Books. Have a great day. Thank you.